You can hear the ice hitting the sky lamp in the bathroom. It's really coming down. Jack Frost nipping.